Right then, this Australian YouTube channel I like to watch, Cutting Edge Engineering. He's pretty funny. He starts every segment with "right then." Sounds fitting to me. Well, this is the aftermarket pump. Obviously, it's a little bit smaller. The inlet is offset on it, but the height looks the same, and this threads in, so I'd say it's probably going to work just nice. Now we do have to cut the wires off the original pump. We'll just solder in this harness or connector that they gave us. Got this piece threaded on. It's a little tight going on. I messaged him and he says, oh yeah, it's normal. That's the way they got it. So this is the original rubber lower support mount that went on the original pump, which snapped in there. This one here is just going to go off to the side now. Oh, that looks like a pain to get in there. All right. Snaps into that. We'll put this back on. So that fits down inside your canister. You can kind of see where the old one was. Just line it up. And I guess it snaps into those little tabs down there, but it's basically going to be held in place with this spring. Just cut the old red and black wire off the harness. They give you this piece with it. Well, we got it hooked up. Let's test it and see if it pumps. I think it's pretty good. And tons of pressure, so perfect.